Hi, I'm Ben. I'm an instructor with Nautilus Sailing. We're here in lovely Grenada. Today we're going to ask the question, do you need sailing certification? The answer is, it depends. It depends entirely on your goals. If your goals are sailing small boats in protected waters, you may not need formal sailing certification. In fact, before even worrying about formal certification, everyone should consider taking a safe boaters course. That gets you educated on navigation rules, safe vessel operation, and generally prepares you to be a responsible sailor in your future. If your goal is simply to be crew on sailing vessels, you may not need formal sailing certification. Getting experience by going sailing with a club or with friends is a great way to get started. However, sailing certification becomes increasingly valuable as your goals become more ambitious. If your sailing goals include chartering sailboats, often in international waters, sailing certification becomes extremely valuable and in many cases expected. Charter companies often increasingly evaluate sailing certifications, practical experience, vessel familiarity, and your sailing resume. The strongest charter applicants typically have formal certifications and meaningful real-world experience. The same trend exists with boat ownership. Insurance companies are becoming more selective for larger cruising vessels. Formal training and certification can help demonstrate confidence and may improve your ability to obtain favorable coverage. The real question is not, do I need certification? The better question is, what are my sailing goals? The bigger your sailing goals become, the more valuable structured training and certification become. The perspective to keep is that certification is a tool. It is not a trophy. It is not the goal. The goal is becoming a capable sailor. Certification helps provide structure, standards, credibility, and confidence. To conclude, do you need sailing certification? It depends. What are your goals?